go ahead. Get attacked. Alright, so here's what I got. I got my current clamp on the purple wire. I got my sync on #1 front wire. So what I'm looking at here is coil current versus #1. When I rev this up, primary's broke up. Well, alright. Well, yeah, put the cape up, right? There you go. Alright. So let me rev it up. Look, it's double striking some of them, so we got a primary ignition problem. Alright, we've made an interesting discovery here since we started messing with the distributor. We noticed that when we turned the key on with the distributor out of the engine, that the fuel pump didn't run, the ECM didn't power up. But with the 4-wire plug of the distributor plugged in, the ECM fired up. So go ahead and plug that in. So this has to be a bad ground. And the ECM is ground. See, look at that. We just plugged the 4-wire connector in. Hear the alarm go off. So, yep, there's got to be a bad ground on this engine. All right, down here scrounging around, and I found this ground wire off. This is an ECM ground, and look what happens when I touch it to ground. So this boat had recently had a transmission repair done. So what happened is this ground wire just was not connected. So I'll guarantee we'll hook up this ground wire and this thing's gonna run good. Okay, we found the ground wire. We got the engine running. Recheck the timing, and here's our fix. Capture here. Perfect. Quick shot off. So here's basically what was going on. So basically the ECM was getting grounded through the distributor, through the low reference wire. I believe it's a black with a red tracer. And that's why when we had the distributor out of the engine, we did not hear a fuel pump, primer, or anything. So the ECM was getting grounded through there. Well, conversely, the module is grounded when it mounts to the distributor. Well, that ground was getting robbed. For, you know, the ECM and all that was getting robbed, so it was robbing the module ground, causing the breakup in the ignition. Because the ignition kind of sort of doesn't have anything to do with the ECU. It does through the EST line, but that was a pretty interesting find. So hope you like it.